Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened in the past 2 days and what is the outlook for tomorrow and for the coming sessions. So currently, HGS Nifty is 10 points up, which is flat, close to flat. Dow Jones is 292 points and Nasdaq is almost 3 points. It is also flat. So the employment data has come. So it is not up to the expectations. There is a sharp or steep fall in the employment data. If you see the private companies and the employment, other employments added just 3 lakh 30 positions for the month. I mean, like for the July month, compared to the 6 lakh 80,000 in the June month. So it is well below the expectation of Dow Jones, and so there is a sharp decline in the market also. So that is reflecting the market. Dow Jones is close to almost 300 points. Yeah, almost 300 points down, and Nasdaq is also down. So what is in our counter? It is Nifty today, not only today. So 2 days we missed this post market report. If you see 2 days, there is a sharp rise in market. Yesterday 245 points and today another 128 points. So this is a breakout or explosion after a deep consolidation pattern. After 3 months of consolidation, this is the way it has broke out. So I had mentioned in my channel, this pattern is observed, or this kind of explosive moves are observed when there is two kind of things are visible. One is this deep consolidation. Other thing is FIA is selling. If you see last month FIAs were selling almost for 23,000 crores they had sold. So that is also one reason, because we had noticed in the past also, whenever there is a deep selling, the next sessions, or there is an expectation that another 10 to 15 percentage moves comes in the coming sessions. So this month, if you see FIAs had sold for 23,000 crores, and it has almost touched this low 15,516, and you can see on Friday, sorry, this is 2nd August. 2nd August is, yeah, Monday it gave a small hammer pattern which we saw in the last video. So it was very clear that day we saw in the option chain that the option chain cycle was very clearly visible, that upside there is a very less resistance and there was a huge support on the downside. So now what is going on after 2 days of non-stop rally? Today we have to see what is the next stop for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for Nifty, on the resistance side, writers are aggressive on 94,000, I mean, like on 16,300 with 94,567 contracts. 16,400 is having 95,719 contracts, and 16,500 is having 75,185 contracts. So 16,400 is carrying the largest open interest. Here coming down 16,200, which is that today's, I mean, like today it closed at 15,258. 16,200 is having holding the largest support also. So the market range for the next 2 days is going to be the 16,200 and 16,400 levels. But after a huge rally for the 2 days, there should be a consolidation happening. So for the past 3 days, it ran so much. So the next 2 days, which is also an expiry, needs a consolidation, because it is a straight, I mean, like a straight move. As you know, market moves in a zigzag line. You can see. So market always moves in a zigzag line. So another, we need a consolidation for a strong move, or all, I mean, like fall in the downside. So for that, I am expecting today. I was expecting that, but today it doesn't happen. But tomorrow I am expecting the fall must be coming, because as per harmonics, it is very clearly indicating that Nifty must touch 16,183. So if you see, this was our estimate during market hours, even in Bank Nifty. I can show you. This was our estimate. Sorry, the alignments are a bit changed due to the different timings. But what happened is this was at 12:30 candle, 12:45 candle. It was about to fall. We were on 34,800 PE. It was actually gave a good move of 40 points. Then the SBI results triggered the up move, but still it doesn't move much. It made another 200 to 300 points. Then it started falling. So coming back here, it is very clear that tomorrow there is a downfall expected from this both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So this is as per harmonics. So what is the stock saying? Reliance, if you see, after a deep fall, it is started moving on the upside. Today also it made a good green candle. HDFC Bank, a huge up move today, both HDFC and HDFC Bank after touching 14,404, which is very close to our potential reversal zone. It started moving from there and now it is close to another 70 points on the upside. So HDFC Bank is strong. ICICI Bank is strong. You can see the large Marbusu candle today. SBI is strong after the results. It is still strong. I had already mentioned in the PSU Bank's breakout also. SBN is about to give a breakout, which we mentioned at 440 levels. So another today made close to 470, 467 levels. So maybe these in points may be looking small, but 5% move in SBN is not such an easy task. And if you can see Kotak Bank, the low from the low of 1627, now it is at 1749, almost 120 points on the upside. Bajaj Finance budget wins are not much more because it has already reached all the higher levels at 1.618 extension levels. So there is a bit of consolidation happening. Axis Bank also gave a breakout today. You can see the last 3 days. Nifty also moved, Bank Nifty also moved. You can see Kotak Bank, all banks in a straight move on the upside. So we need a consolidation for the next 2 days. Maybe on Friday it may start get reversing. You see ICICI Bank also formed a similar pattern. So expecting a fall close to 695 levels, it should come in the next coming sessions. So these are my estimates. These are my predictions. Maybe I mean like disclaimer, I may be wrong. So please follow your uh, own research and analysis. So these are the Nifty Heavyweight Index predictions. So today, if you see coming to the other side of the market today, mid caps and small caps were all falling. So the Nifty index management was very pakka. Only financials was performing good. Nifty Financial Service, Nifty Bank. Rest of the service like Nifty IT, and I will show you Nifty IT, Nifty Metals, everything is in a deep red. If you see advanced decline ratio, you can very well come to know that how much is the advance and the declines. So in Nifty 50, advanced stocks are only 19 stocks. Declines are almost 31 stocks. So only financials led this rally. So there is a there is more possibility for a small consolidation after that because my harmonics level is also showing that Nifty should consolidate at 16,200 levels. If it doesn't consolidate and if it sustains above 16,000, anyway, it will sustain above 16,000 by closing basis of, I mean, like a weekly closing basis. If it sustains on weekly close basis above 16,000, I am expecting another 1,000 points move in the next 2 to 3 months in Nifty. You can see all the metal stocks, IT stocks, auto stocks, everybody was in red today. Pharma in red. So only Nifty Financials was performing. So coming to FIDA data, FI had bought for 2,828 crores. So for the last 2 days they are buying, and DAs had sold for just 411 crores. As you know, these are the HDFC twins are the uh, FIA candidates. So whenever they start buying, they will first conquer on the HDFC Bank and HDFC twins only. That is what is reflected today. Both the HDFC and HDFC twins both performed very good. ICC Bank, you can see, yeah, sorry, SBI ICC Bank we had seen. So these are the estimates for or the predictions for the coming two sessions. So stay cautious and don't be aggressive on longs or shorts. Please use the scalpings and please go with minimum lot size if you are staying for a positional shorting. So I am expecting that to happen in the positionally. I am carrying some shorts for the positional for the like monthly strikes. So I am also I am expecting a drop in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming sessions. So that's all, guys, and let's wait for the tomorrow's data and hope this content is useful for you. And if it is useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks and good night. Bye.